I'm recording this video right now using the Osmo Action camera. And
do you need it?
hey, hello everyone and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to give you a very quick review on a really cheap external microphone that I purchased online. This cost really like $2 microphone, yes, $2. So guys, if you really want to know if this $2 worth of cheap microphone really works on your action cam, stay tuned to this video.
The review.
In this video, I'm going to review the internal built-in mic of the Osmo Action microphone and this $2 cheap microphone that I have here in my hand, and the Rode Videomic Go that I'll be going to do a good comparison, because I guess the Rode mics are pretty much of the market standards in most of the vloggers and virtual video makers. So let's see how it compares with the Rode Videomic Go, the internal built-in microphone from the Osmo Action, and this cheap $2 external microphone. And let's see if this is really worth the money to invest in.
The mic test.
Right now, at the same distance away from the camera, this is recorded using the cheap $2 external microphone. So what do you think, guys? Is this good enough? Perhaps this is going to be a very cheap option for most of you guys. If you think that you really need an external microphone for your action cam, maybe you think that the action cam's built-in microphone is not good enough or doesn't give you the kind of sound that you want. But let's hear from the original built-in microphone from the Osmo Action.
Now, let's hear from the Osmo Action mic.
Right, now this is exactly what you can hear from the Osmo Action camera with its built-in microphone sound, and I believe the sound is pretty decent for the Osmo Action's built-in microphone, because I have did some recording using the camera with no external microphone, and I feel that it is pretty much good enough. I would say satisfy all my video editing quality. But some of you guys may actually like to have a much better sound quality or more directional recording. So guys, depending on your application, probably I would say I would go for the cheap microphone that I have here, which is the $2 microphone, because it's kind of a little bit more directional compared to the Osmo Action's built-in camera. But to carry this big microphone on your Osmo Action, I find that it is kind of a little bit ridiculous because of the size of this compared to the camera. You want everything to be lightweight and small and compact and portable, and then you are going to lug this around on top of the camera. But of course, depending on situation, guys, if you're not going to any of these action video shooting, I guess this is pretty fine. But for me, I would like to have this camera to be less intrusive to public, such that I really don't like the public, the people around me, the strangers, to see me lugging around with the camera and then with this big mic, like, oh, what are you trying to record? So I like everything to be like a bit low-key. So I don't really like to have this Rode mic hanging around in the public, and this would be a much better choice. But of course, if you have no concerns with audio quality, or I would say not too much concern about that, I guess in fact the Osmo Action's camera's built-in mic is much insufficient for all your audio needs. So guys, if you have any of the comments, do leave your comments down here below, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you think this is a really great channel to help out with you guys to share some ideas and options for your video making hobbies and stuff like that. So if you really like the videos, give me a like, and do remember that I'll be uploading more of these similar videos in the futures, and remember to hit the subscription for this channel. See you guys, bye.